This is the Suspension-NXT by Gerber. The Suspension-NXT takes its inspiration from the many bridges of our hometown, Portland, Oregon. It's low profile and has a clip for pocket carry instead of hip carry. Despite its compact size, the Suspension-NXT doesn't compromise on function with 15 tools. Tools include needle nose pliers, standard coarse tooth pliers, and wire cutters. Scissors, medium flathead driver, ruler, file. Wire stripper, large flathead driver. Awl. Bottle opener, can opener, small flathead driver. Cross driver. Partially serrated blade. It's a familiar butterfly open design with spring-loaded pliers. Locking outboard tools offer safe, convenient operation. To complement the pocket clip, it also features an integrated lanyard hold. The Suspension-NXT is designed for the EDC user who requires a fully featured multi-tool that's pocketable for the commute.
When it comes to shedding light on a situation, we've got you covered. Etekcity's collapsible lantern features 360 degrees of bright LED lighting designed with 30 LED bulbs evenly illuminating surrounding objects. Built for the outdoors, the lantern is made with military-grade, water-resistant material. While featuring lightweight portability, the lantern also offers the rugged durability to handle impacts, drops, and drizzly weather. To activate the light of the lantern, simply pull up the fold-away handles and extend for brightness. Easily control the amount of light provided by the lantern by adjusting its height. The collapsible design makes storage and portability easy and effortless. Handy for emergency situations and outdoor recreation, the lantern will provide up to 12 hours of dependable lighting. When battery power is running low, the lantern will automatically dim itself in order to conserve and extend battery life and usage. Just pull and go. Take the lantern along for on-the-go lighting for camping and hiking trips. Easily hang the lantern for hands-free illumination. The lantern was designed for safe and easy use for all ages. Even when it's used for an extended period of time, the outer surface won't overheat and burn at the touch of a hand. Fold down and collapse the lantern to easily store it in any car compartment or emergency kit. When in immediate need of light, the lantern provides bright illumination with easier handling than the smartphone in your pocket. Whether used around the house or out and about, Etekcity's collapsible lantern will bring 360 degrees of illumination to the palm of your hand. It's a simpler, safer, and brighter idea.
The Aether and Ariel AG series. These are incredibly capable packs that are perfect for everything from backpacking to through hiking and even mountaineering expeditions, any activity where you need to carry heavier loads. They feature incredibly customizable fit with an interchangeable harness and hip belt that's custom moldable. They also feature anti-gravity technology which hugs your body and makes it feel like you're carrying less weight than you actually are. And the top lid converts to a day pack you'll actually want to use for short day hikes or even a summit bid from base camp. The Aether AG comes in an 85, 70, and 60 liter version, and the Ariel AG comes in a 75, 65, and 55 liter version. These packs also share the following features: a removable top lid that converts to the day lid day pack, dual upper side compression straps, dual access side stretch mesh pockets, lower inside out compression straps, zippered hip belt pockets, stow on the go trekking pole attachment, additional main compartment access, a large stretch mesh front panel pocket, dual front compression straps with straight jacket compression, dual ice tool loops with bungee tie-offs, a zippered sleeping bag compartment with removable divider, removable sleeping pad straps, an integrated flap jacket cover for lidless use, and an internal hydration reservoir sleeve. When you need to carry heavier loads, whether for a weekend of backpacking or a full-blown expedition, the Aether and Ariel AG series and Daylid Day Pack will take you where you want to go.
Introducing Haven, a lightweight all-in-one hammock tent that brings the comfort of home to the outdoors. Our patent-pending design creates a flat, spacious sleeping platform and raises the bar on comfort. No matter how you sleep, on your back, side, or even your stomach. Pockets and loops are in all the right places. There's a spot for boots, and you can even hang your pack for instant access. Unroll and clip for privacy and protection from the elements. The rainfly and mosquito net are both detachable and can be adjusted without leaving your sleeping bag. After a wet night, simply shake and stuff. Tent and pad pack up small and are ready for your next adventure.
This is LynQ. It connects 2 or more people together so they can find each other. It's a simple one-button interface. Just pair 2 or more devices, and then follow the arrow and distance right to your people. That's it. All without the need for phones, maps, connectivity, or subscriptions. Have you ever been lost or separated from your group? Been unsure at a fork in the road? Anxiously waited for your group to return? Struggled to describe where you are? Turned around in a crowded place and your child is gone. But LynQ is as much for fun as it is for safety. Find your friends at music festivals. Stay together in large crowds. Reunite easily on ski trips. Allow your kids to explore with more peace of mind. Or simply enjoy your outdoor activities with more confidence. LynQ uses a new approach to GPS and has a range between devices of up to 3 miles. Scroll through groups of up to 12 with a user interface that's simple enough for a young child to use. LynQ lasts up to 3 days without recharging, and its built-in clip allows you to attach the device to your clothes, gear, or even pets. Engineered to endure the harshest environments, from snowy descents to young kids. LynQ is more than a people compass. You can set meetup locations that everyone in your group can easily find and return to. A safe zone feature alerts you when anyone strays outside the boundary that you choose. It's great for kids and pets. No more worrying, wandering, or waiting around. LynQ will find your people when nothing else will.